Welcome everybody, welcome to the video. Welcome back to the studio. We're going to be making more calls, we're going to be making more deals done, we're going to be getting stuff done. So hope you enjoy these videos. Quick little notes. A lot of people ask me, who do I use for Skiptracing? Who do I use for my systems? Who do I use to find VAs and all this stuff? So I have in my description below all the systems I use. A big one for Skiptracing that I recommend everybody use is Kind Skiptracing. I use Batch occasionally. I use Free People Search for like one-off ones, but I use Kind Skiptracing for majority of our Skiptracing, and it's a really good skip tracer. It's also very affordable. The guy who owns a company, Josh Chan, he's a good friend of mine, and he always provides great data, and I don't know why he sells it so cheap, but he does. So he charges 3 cents a skip trace, so you can get 10,000 leads for $300. That's insane, because that same list would cost $1,500. So you can get 5 times the data. It's crazy to think about, but yeah, highly recommend Kind Skiptracing. You could just Google them, Kind Skiptracing, and find them. That's my favorite skip tracer. Other softwares I use, you know, PropStream, Batch. My CRM is called Investor Fuse. All of those systems are in the description. I also get paid on them, so supporting me, supporting the channel, appreciate that a lot. Let's get this video started. I spoke with this seller off camera, and she has 2 houses that she wants to sell. She wants $295, so it's 210 and 75.
Hello?
We'll make her some offers. Hey, Donna?
Yes, I'm driving. What's going on?
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Hey, this is Alec. We spoke about your 2 houses.
Right. Yeah, I'm driving to see.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to call back at another time?
Well, can you make it quick or should
Oh, yeah, sure. Very quick call. Yeah. I just wanted to confirm. If we were still able to see them, and if you were still looking to sell, because we were in the process of putting together an offer.
Okay. Yes, I am. I'm heading to my, like I said, daughter and celebration of life for Tom and.
Oh my gosh! Awesome.
Did I tell you about all that?
A little bit, but not in depth.
Yeah, it's my ex, and he passed away suddenly, and he's the one that helped me with my properties when I lived in. So.
Wow, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, he was only 69.
Oh my god, you're so young.
Yeah, we've known each other since the 80s. We were married 20-something years and best friends, and my daughter, she's having a hard time.
Wow, I'm sorry. I hope you guys are okay. It must be rough for the whole family.
Yeah, he was in Vietnam on vacation and died in his sleep.
Wow.
Yeah, he was a traveler. He was retired. And anyway, so,
you never know.
I'm so on the fence on that, but if you can do it in I guess, legitimate way, I'm not opposed to it, I guess.
Yeah, and then, so my partner and I, we drove by the Talbot one too, okay. And we're interested. We already driven by Arkansas, I think I mentioned in the last call. But yeah, I mean, I know you're looking for $295 for both, and then it was $210 and then $85. I mean, would you work with us more on this price if we just bought both of them and closed in 30 days or less?
For how much?
Would you work with us on that price a little bit if we just bought both of them, bought it with the tenants?
$95?
Yeah, would you consider negotiating with us on that price?
I don't know. I'll have to talk to somebody, my accountant.
Okay. Because
I have my go-to person, and now I don't have him no more.
Yeah, no, I understand. Yeah.
He just sold a lot of his properties. I guess he was just, I don't know. It's a mystery. So.
I got you.
Well,
my partner.
Lower. I mean.
Yeah.
Talbot. What does Talbot say? It's worth in the. Got it at 22 or 21.
Yeah, but we have to fix up the house, to get it worth that amount. You know what I mean?
It's got a brand new roof and a brand new central heating.
Yeah, the roof looked good when we swung by.
It's brand new. I had that done last summer.
Okay, yeah.
So and the air conditioner is probably 2 years old. And,
yeah.
I'm sure it's in good shape because she's a great tenant. She loves their house, and She's been there like 5 years, but.
Yeah, so my partner was telling me, because it's a little, we're going into a recession, so we're a little bit more, conservative than we were.
Like, yeah, I'm kind of not, I'm thinking twice about it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's
So we're yeah.
make decisions right now.
Yeah, so I mean, we can get this done. We'll buy it as is. We'll take it with the tenants. It'll be a very easy sale process. But I don't think we can come up to that 295. It's going to be a little bit too high for us.
Well, what is your
And this isn't our concrete offer, but my partner was telling me you want to be closer to like 260 for both.
No, I couldn't do that.
Yeah,
can't do
so
that.
I mean, I could try to come up a little bit higher.
Huh?
I could try to come up a little.
No, my house on Talbot's worth at least 200,000, and no, I'm not giving Arkansas away at 65. So, all right, I appreciate it though.
Yeah, I mean, well, we can come up higher. That's not our offer. That was just like what he was telling me to come back at. I mean,
Okay, well, you haven't seen the inside.
yeah, exactly. So we haven't seen the inside. So if we're kind of assuming that it needs upgrading. But if the inside was nice, maybe we can come up to that. Less work we have to do.
I just remodeled the inside last June on Arkansas. I think I told you.
Okay.
I repainted the whole inside. I did new mini blinds and all ceiling fans. And
Okay.
It's got a new refrigerator. And yeah, I had to remodel the whole inside. I painted turquoise in the bedrooms and a nice gold color in the living and dining room. Got a fan in the bathroom. I mean, I did like $4,000 worth of work.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sure it looks good.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, barely.
Okay. I was just saying I'm sure it looks good then. I mean.
Well, a family moved in with 2 kids. I don't know what it looks like,
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, they can't do that much damage to it, though, right?
Well, I usually rent to students, and they're the worst.
Yeah, students destroy. You gotta take a
That's
big
why I
security.
had to go inside. You should have seen it. We even resanded the floors and put polyurethane on the floors.
Yeah, you gotta take a nice security deposit from student housing to make up for that.
I'm just saying, we did the floors, we did the walls, we did the mini blinds, the ceiling fan, we did it all on the inside.
No, for sure. Okay, cool. So it's all done. Assuming it's still in that same condition, then it's still done.
Yeah, it's just a roof. It needs a roof on Arkansas.
Okay, Arkansas needs a roof.
I think I told you that.
Yeah, I think you mentioned that. Okay. I mean, what's the best price that you would consider doing? Is it still 85?
I'll have to think about it
Okay.
over the weekend. I mean, I've got all this going on with my family.
Yeah, I know you got a lot. This is the last thing you're thinking about, so I understand.
You call me next week one day. Or Monday,
Okay, I'll
Tuesday.
call you next week then. Okay, and I'll try to.
Someone else calling me next week. Now, if you are you just gonna knock on the door and say you're from the city and you're checking something?
Yeah, whatever you want. I could say that. I could say, hey, I'm with the city, just doing an inspection, or I'm an appraiser, or I'm an insurance person, like an insurance adjuster.
Would probably work better. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you want, I'm okay.
Your partner does this.
It'll be either him or I, but we both done this before, so shouldn't be an issue.
I see. Well, yeah, you have to tread lightly, because you don't want to upset nobody. So you're just gonna random knock? I don't need to give you their phone numbers or not that, right?
Only if you want to, but yeah, typically we just do a knock on the door, and then they just are okay. The insurance guy's coming then, and then they just expect us. We come in 5-10 minutes in and out. Yeah, exactly.
Don't ask them a bunch of questions, because that would be.
Yeah, I don't talk to them. I wouldn't want to get you in trouble or anything. Especially if we didn't end up buying it and then they move out or get upset with you, I wouldn't want to.
Yeah, they're good people. Both of them seem to have paid the rent, so I mean, I hadn't had any problems with either one of them,
Nice.
sitting empty ever.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. All right, let me call you again next week, and then I'll try to come up.
Let me know Monday. I mean, and if I hear from one of them and they want to know, well, who's at the house, I'm going to say, well, I don't know. Maybe because my insurance has gone up.
Yeah, you could say that. That's a good one.
Well, it's true. My insurance doubled.
Oh, everybody's. Yeah, it's insane.
It was $700 last year for Talbot, and it's $14 now.
Really? It doubled like that? Oh my gosh.
It doubled because of the hurricane.
That's horrible.
Right, and then the property taxes went up $500 each.
Yeah, everything's so expensive now in Florida.
Well, so where are you at?
So I used to be up there, but I actually am now. So
Right, okay.
it's even more
Well, I'm talking
expensive
to one
here.
other person, and I get y'all confused. His
No
name is
worries.
Damon. You're Alex, so
His name is Damon.
I think so. I don't
Uh,
know. I've had a Lily and a Nancy and a.
yeah, Nancy's my partner. Okay, no problem. All right, well, thanks so
She's
much.
the one that's been harassing me. Believe me. I
Yeah.
don't like that.
No, well, I'll be the one calling you now, so it's okay. But thank you for your
Okay.
time. I appreciate it, and
All
good
right.
luck
I'll
at
talk to
everything
you
else.
this week then,
Okay.
okay?
All right. Bye,
All
Donna.
right. Bye.
All right. Bye. Oh, she talks a lot. So that was a good call. Her price is high, but maybe we can negotiate a little bit. But it sounds like it's in good condition too. So we'll see.
Oh,
Hey, Ruth.
no, this is Mr. Ingleton.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, this is Lord. You said.
Yeah, it's Lloyd, yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, sorry about that. Hey, I think you had spoken with my partner Nancy yesterday, maybe about your house in Iverness.
Oh, yeah, Inverness, right, yeah.
Yep, Iverness. Yeah. And she was saying you might be looking to sell it. Is that still something you were looking to sell?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
gotcha.
up for sale, right, yeah.
It's up for sale. It's not in the market though, right?
No, it's not on the market.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I was running some numbers. I was trying to put together an offer. Um, are you guys living here or is it vacant? Are we able to come by and see it?
No, we have a tenant in there.
Oh, okay, it's rented. Are they on a lease?
Month to month.
Month to month? Okay, gotcha. So why are you looking to sell it then? Why not just keep renting it out?
No, my wife don't want to sell it.
Your wife wants to sell it?
Yeah, she wants to sell it, right.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, we
I'll tell you what, hold on a minute, I'll call you back, as I'm doing some busy right now.
Okay, sounds
All right.
good.
Yeah, I'll give you a call right back.
All right, bye. Hey, sorry, I was on the other line when you called back.
Okay, yeah, so, what were you asking me while I had to go? I'm doing something busy.
Yeah, no worries. I was just saying we would be interested in purchasing the house in Russell. And I was just trying to get some more info on it, see what your guys' plans were. I think you said you were looking to sell it, but it's not listed on the market yet, right?
No, yeah, well, we haven't listed with a realtor yet, but
Okay.
just trying to sell it, see.
See if you guys can sell without.
Yeah.
Okay,
right,
yeah. So we would be a buyer. I would be a direct buyer. So maybe we could work something out, off market, cash offer. Now is the tenant that's living there, are they on a lease? You said they're month to month, right?
Yeah, it's a month to month.
Okay.
Right.
Are we gonna be buying it with them, or is it gonna be vacant at closing?
But they in there, we told them that we're trying to sell the house.
Okay.
So, yeah, so I don't know if they will get to move or when they will get to move.
Gotcha.
But they know they have to move out.
Okay, but they know that it's being sold. Okay.
Right, yeah, they know it's sold.
Okay. Tenant knows. Okay, so I'm just writing it down. Notes. And then, are you guys local here, or where do you guys live?
Yeah, well, we live in Ocala, Northern Oaks.
Oh, you're in Ocala. Okay, I like Ocala. All right. And then, are we able to come by and actually see the house, or is it just by drive-by to just see the outside? Can we see the inside of it?
Yeah, you can get to see the inside, but I'll try to work time with them. But
You have to set up a time.
People, right, they try to tell them, look, got to come and see the house.
Okay. Yeah, that would be perfect if we can do that. Maybe later this week or next week or something. And then I have written down here that you were looking for price. You were looking for 120. Is that correct?
Yeah, well, my wife wanted 125, but you said the lowest they will ever go in the house is 120.
120. Okay. I mean, would you still consider working with us on that price? Especially if we did something like unseen, or is that like a firm 120?
Well, I got to talk to my wife. See, the house is in my wife's name.
Oh, okay.
And she's at work right now.
Okay, gotcha.
And you want to buy unseen, what you offer. So I don't have to deal with it.
Yeah, so I'm actually in Fort Lauderdale. So I'm a little bit further away, yeah. But my partner actually lives in like North Tampa area. So he was coincidentally driving through because we do some stuff in like Tallahassee and Gainesville. So he was in the area. So he actually drove by.
My house, okay.
Yeah, he didn't go on the property or anything. And you know, we're
You
definitely.
have a big backyard, you know.
Yeah, I really liked it a lot. That's why I like these parts because, you know, in Fort Lauderdale, you don't get any lot. You know what I mean? Um,
Yeah.
so yeah, that's why we like it. You know, it's a more affordable price range. Just out of curiosity, I mean, would you guys ever consider selling it, like, you know, on like seller financing or anything?
Seller financing.
Yeah.
That's what I talked to my wife. I know
Okay.
we got an offer too of financing too. And my wife said you take food for if you could ever do that. You know,
Yeah.
you have to be like something like maybe $60,000 down, and the rest paid in a year time.
Oh yeah, that's a lot. Yeah. I mean, so we're buying another house right now in Tampa on seller financing, and the sellers wanted $10,000 down, or not 10,000, 10% down. And then he's financing us over 15 years.
Oh, well, 15 years.
Yeah, is that something you would even consider?
Well, I don't think my wife won't go that length, like the time, 15 years.
Yeah, it's a long time. I get it. I get it.